Hey everyone, Shane here, and today I'd like you to come back with me to a simpler time. When Potato Head was still Mister, you could read Dr. Zeus books, and your Cummins was reliable and had a CP3. We gotta go back! We gotta go back, Marty! We gotta go back to the CP3. Since the beginning of time, the venerable common rail Cummins engine has been equipped with the Bosch CP3 pump, until 2019, when Cummins decided to shake things up for some apparent reason and put a CP4 on the engine, with many pump failures leading to tens of thousands of dollars in repairs when it pumps metal shrapnel through the entire fuel system. Much like Marty McFly running up to Doc Brown, Cummins boys are running home to Chrysler asking to go back. Here at BD Diesel Performance, we're gonna take you back with our CP3 Conversion Kit for 2019 and 2020 model year Cummins. Why would you want to switch back to the CP3? Well, if you didn't know, CP4s have a checkered past with the General Motors and Ford camp. Happen to have the pump that would go on a 2019 Ram right here. The CP4 pump has aluminum body and is 25% smaller than a CP3 pump. The problem with this pump is it's very fragile, and when it implodes, it pumps metal filings throughout your entire fuel system in your truck. When that happens, not only is the pump failed, it takes out your injectors and every fuel line on the truck, leaving you with tens of thousands of dollars in repair bill to have the tank cleaned, every hose and line replaced, of course a new pump and a new set of injectors. This is a bad issue. On top of that reliability issue is performance problems. The CP4 pump is 25% smaller in volume to the CP3 pump. To counteract this, Cummins cranked up the drive ratio on the gear and overdrive the pump slightly to keep up with the engine in stock form. The BD Diesel install kit allows you to take advantage of that overdrive and put a CP3 pump in its place. And combined with the overdrive of the gear ratio, can give you plenty of fuel to support any of your performance or aftermarket accessories on your truck. Well, let's get rid of this thing because we don't need that anymore. The BD Diesel CP3 kit comes with everything we have here. It's sold as a install kit with no pump, as a complete kit with a CP3 pump, and it's also available with an R900 Performance Stroker CP3 pump for increased fueling. The bonus of the kit is no tuning is required. You can drop this into your stock truck, fire it up, and drive away. No problems. Keep in mind, folks, the CP4 pump on the Cummins engine was such a concern that for the 2021 model year Cummins Ram, even Cummins has gone back to using the CP3 pump. Don't let your 19 or 20 be the odd truck out. Save yourself the painful price of repairs and weak performance by installing the BD Diesel CP3 Conversion Kit. Come with me to a simpler time when you had to walk to school, Facebook didn't exist, you could buy Coke and vending machines and eat junk food in class and not wear a mask. For more information on our CP3 Conversion Kit, check out bddiesel.com.